Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you never.
We're going into the Sharks exhibit here at COSI in Columbus, Ohio. Fantastic fossil. Fossils of this shark relative often preserve fine details, the organs and the muscles. So this is a cladosalic, I don't know how to say that. Oh, there's a shark. Oh, there's a shark. How old are sharks? Really, really old. Sharks evolved before people, dinosaurs, and even trees. Oh, sharks are older than the dinosaurs, huh? Oh my gosh, look at that thing. Is that a Megalodon? What is that thing? Oh my lord. So this dude right here is an ancient relative of the shark. He's not that big comparatively, but I still would not want to run into that mofo. Some more fossils. This is called a tooth whorl. I don't really know what that means. Oh my gosh. Is this one of their teeth? Touch the tooth. It says touch the tooth. Scientists use fossilized megalodon teeth. That's a megalodon's tooth. To estimate the animal's size. Based on the tooth, the owner might have been 50 or even 65 feet long. Oh my gosh. 60. Look, I can't even get it. 65 feet. What? I ain't running in you, dude. No way. Different sharks. That one. What are you doing there? Oh no, watch out, there's a shark in that water, lady. This is a Port Jackson shark, I guess. I don't know, that looks weird. Bull shark. Frilled shark. Looks like a hammerhead, I guess not. Great white, so that's the great white. And that is the Megalodon. Yeah. He's definitely gonna tear you up, dude, if he's still there, so be careful. Alright, here is a whale shark. Those look cool. I don't think they're actually sharks, they're whales. And these dudes look kind of vicious. Got a gangs shark, swell shark, tiger sharks. I heard they're actually much meaner than the great white sharks. Some rays. There's a ray. This is a Pacific spookfish. So this is. Looks like one of the teeth of like of a swordfish or what is this? All shark rays and mantas have a rare sixth sense called electroception, which they use for hunting, defense, navigation, or even mating. Really? So he's using that to find that little crab. You're like, it's down there. He found it. I ain't gonna eat that mofo. What's this? Large tooth of a sawfish. Yeah, that's a sawfish tooth. Wow, that looks big. Bullmouth gutterfish. Oh wow. What's that one? 25. That looks. Nurse shark. It looks kind of like a catfish. This one right here looks kind of like catfish to me. 20. It's back there. I believe that's the hammerhead, right? No? I can't see what number that one is. Rabbit fish. 28. Where's the rabbit fish? Ooh, it looked kind of like a rabbit. Look at that thing. Rabbit fish. You kind of ugly. No, speaking of ugly, you the ugly. What the heck? Oh my gosh. My lord. That's a krill ball, krill. Like them whales be jumping up and eating down on. What's all this? What is that one? 31. Is 31 over there? Yes, 31 is over there.
Wait, which one?
31. Goblin shark. Oh, that's a goblin shark. You look ugly, some of it. Goblin shark. Control being this shark here. So. Some of the choppers from some of these sharks. Huh? Tiger shark. That's the great white. And that's the whale shark. You see, he ain't got no teeth because he eats that krill stuff. Sander shark. Zebra shark. Yep. That's the one you gotta watch out for though. Oh no. It's about to make me a shark. It's about to make, let's see what kind of shark. I'm a great white. Oh my gosh, I knew I was great. Yay!
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be